I like playing with little cars, building roads and racing fast. No one around, it's time for transformations. We are little monster cars. We are looking for adventures. Play with us, play like us. We are Mocas, beep, beep, beep. We are Mocas monster cars.
Jessie is leaving the room. Cars, you can transform.
Transformation.
Look, there's a bowl of candy.
Yep.
Transformation.
X turned into an excavator so he could give candy to his friends. X, what about another one? Oh, X dropped the spray paint can.
Transformation.
The cars are curious. It seems the cars are up to something. Gru puts a ruler on the spray can. X took 2 rubber bands.
Yep. Like this. Boo makes a seesaw. Like this.
Cray and Boo seesaw. Bussy also wants to seesaw. Gru, hop on. Oh, you can't jump high enough.
Flew away.
Bussy landed on a soft bed. X brought another ruler. Maybe the cars want to make a bigger seesaw? That's a spoon. I know. The cars are making a catapult.
Catapult.
Wow. Like this. Well.
But they need something to launch. The cars decided to launch candy.
Wow.
Cray hit the circle.
Hooray!
It's a hit. Bussy will try too. X missed.
Again.
Oh, he missed again. Cars, don't laugh. Help X. X, look. X tries once again. Now he hit. Voice talents:
David Cleveland Brown
and Jana Polzin.